Today, we're ditching the traditional camping scene and embracing the comfort of car camping. But a comfy car camping adventure starts with the right shelter. So whether you're a family of 5 planning a national park extravaganza or a solo explorer itching for a weekend escape, we've got you covered. Buckle up because we're about to unveil the top 5 car camping tents that will transform your backseat into a base camp for all your adventures. Let's go. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Dodic Hub isn't just a tent. It's a transformational base camp that adapts to your needs. This ingenious accessory transforms your hub into a drive-away awning. Simply zip it onto the shelter and connect it to your SUV for a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. Rain or shine, you can easily access your vehicle or relax under a covered area. Create separate sleeping quarters, storage rooms, or even a kitchen area with attachable annexes. This allows you to customize your hub for your specific needs. Whether you're a solo adventurer or a family of 4, the hub can adapt to create a comfortable and functional campsite. Setting up is a breeze with Dodic's single-point inflation airframe technology. Inflate everything from one spot, saving you time and frustration. With its modular design, innovative features, and ease of use, the Dodic Hub is a perfect choice for SUV campers who crave flexibility and comfort. The Gazelle T8 hub tent isn't just another car camping tent. It's a roominess revolution. Perfect for families or large groups, the T8 offers a unique combination of features that make car camping comfortable and convenient. With a spacious interior, the T8 can comfortably house 8 campers. The 210D polyester shell and 300D removable floor are built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Need extra space for luggage, coolers, or camping chairs? The T8 doesn't force you to choose between people and gear. 2 separate sleeping quarters, divided by a zippered privacy panel, offer families or groups a sense of separation while still maintaining a sense of togetherness. The T8 boasts a generous 78-inch center height, allowing you to move around freely without feeling cramped. The T8 folds down into a manageable size, fitting easily into most SUVs or car trunks. The innovative hub design allows for a speedy setup in under 90 seconds, ensuring you can spend less time assembling and more time enjoying the outdoors. Ideal after a long car journey. Forget the traditional tent. The Napier Backroads SUV tent redefines car camping convenience, transforming your SUV into a luxurious camping haven. It's perfect for adventurers who crave a seamless connection to their vehicle and a comfortable home base for exploring the outdoors. The Backroads tent features a universal vehicle sleeve that connects directly to your car's open hatch. This creates a combined living space, eliminating the need to set up a separate tent and allowing you to access your car's cargo area from the comfort of the tent. Setting up camp has never been easier. Simply attach the sleeve and unfold the tent. You'll be ready to relax in under 10 minutes, maximizing your time enjoying the outdoors. The Backroads offers a generous 10 by 10 inch floor area, providing ample space for sleeping, lounging, or storing gear. No more feeling cramped or confined. It's like having a room addition to your SUV. The Backroads is suitable for spring, summer, and fall camping, making it a versatile choice for a variety of adventures. Ditch the traditional tent and embrace a new era of car camping with the Magix Carool. This innovative pop-up cabin transforms your car's rear hatch into a sheltered outdoor extension, creating a comfortable and convenient home base for your next adventure. The Carool is ideal for vehicles with a rear swing-up hatch, including hatchbacks, minivans, MPVs, SUVs, and station wagons. The open hatch acts as a structural support for the Carool, creating a seamless connection between your car and the additional living space. The Carool boasts a pop-up design that unfolds quickly and easily. Simply unfold the structure, attach it to your car's hatch, and inflate the frame. You'll be ready to relax in no time. The iCamper Xcover 2.0 breaks the mold, combining rooftop tent convenience with spacious comfort and gear hauling muscle. It's the perfect car camping tent for adventure seekers who value versatility and exploration. Eliminate the need for bulky roof racks or trailers. The Xcover mounts directly onto your car's roof rack, freeing up valuable cargo space inside your vehicle. The X-Cover offers a generous sleeping area that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 adults. It boasts ample headroom, allowing you to move around freely and get dressed with ease. Constructed with high-density poly-cotton canvas, the X-Cover is breathable and comfortable in all seasons. Waterproof zippers and a rainfly keep you dry during unexpected downpours. Mesh windows provide excellent ventilation while offering the option to close them for privacy or extra warmth. The X-Cover opens in a mere 3 minutes, allowing you to spend less time assembling and more time enjoying the outdoors. And there you have it, our top 5 car camping tents for all your outdoor needs. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or embarking on an epic road trip, these tents have got you covered. Letting us know which tent you choose for your next camping adventure.